Hey guys, today we're doing some fried mac and cheese patties on the Blackstone. So super windy out, if you can't tell already. You can see you're moving around a little bit. I'm gonna find my mic and get some other things ready, and we're right back. Alright guys, today we're doing mac and cheese, fried mac and cheese. We're using Annie's homegrown organic macaroni and cheese classic cheddar. My wife Bobby bought a whole bunch of it from Costco and she made 3 boxes here. So she made it up about 20 minutes ago. I have the griddle going at about medium high. You can see it's still steaming. So the idea here is to make patties. So you know what? I'm just going to go like this. And I'll separate it out. I've already got some oil down. I've done this before with the smash burgers. So let's try it. Let's try it here. It's gonna make little piles, about that size. Let's push them down and hope they stick together. What I'd love to have in here is some breadcrumbs mixed in, but we're unfortunately all out. Hopefully these stick together. I'm running out of room though, pretty quickly. If I'd end up just doing a big one and cutting that one up. I think the key here is going to be smushing it while it's heating up. Alright, we're going to try flipping some of these. And they're not sticking together whatsoever. So you know what I'm doing? Yeah, they aren't sticking together at all. So what I'm doing now, I'm just finishing off mac and cheese, browning it up a little bit. It still looks really good. It's much more exciting than it was before I put it in there. You see him dancing around? So, didn't work out as planned, but it was still fun. Oh, guy's dancing. And anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you try it and you add some stuff to it, let me know what happens. Maybe we'll try it again with some breadcrumbs and some eggs added to it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you. Hey, while I was messing up on my video, Bobby's over here making some jerk chicken and zucchini. It's looking pretty good. See you next time.